Kaontis olando kedo tenge bilion 8 mag konyo midhiero mar koth mar El Nino kokalo jakom margi Giru giwacho ni kodhno nyalo rocho chenro e kaontis maromo 23 ka koro gisenono kuonde ma masira nyalo wuoke. Moya ngero matimore kind jalup jatend piny Kenya matwak e ikruok ma piny oseketo ne koth mar El Nino. Wawinje kaka chenrono dhi mbele nyakorom Gajwang' ka bende chenrono bende dhi mbele nyaka sechegi.
Women being closed over, being carried over by all manner of transportation, human transportation systems. Those kind of things will be seen. And I don't want to mention the budget case here, but it is similar to most of the proposals I've had. It's quite huge. So I want to say that the implementing agencies at both the national level can consider my ministry is prepared. We obviously, the case of boreholes, the pans, the desilting is an area that we can do, because I have heard Peter talking about desilting, building of, removing, rehabilitating boreholes and pans. These are some of the activities that can be distributed at very little cost to personnel within my ministry, and they are able to identify people with the right skills very quickly so that we don't have to duplicate personnel labor costs. There is also a mention in this report regarding the impact on irrigation. So what the water and sanitation will go together. Of course, there will be a lot of destruction of sanitation systems, and that then will impact negatively on the health facilities and the health of the people. The landslide areas, I think that's what I will mention. There is a lot other, but the landslide is likely to happen in areas that have been identified already, and it's good to just say that the mudslides and landslides could be experienced in the highlands of Central and Rift Valley counties, the prone areas like in Mount Kenya region, the Elgon, the Nandi escarpment, Gucha, Kericho, Chergani Hills, Tugen, Nyambene Hills, and I think there is also Muranga and Taita Hills. These have been hit before, and sometimes the landslides can be very devastating, requiring, of course, human resettlement, removal maybe early, so that we don't have to lose lives. And that normally is well coordinated with the inclusion of the administration, that is the sub-county administration.